BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Mozilla has recently announced something interesting, where they say they are going to be scaling back development on a number of projects, and unfortunately, because a result of this so-called scaling back, about 5% of their workforce will unfortunately lose their jobs. And Mozilla say they are undergoing what they are calling and I'm quoting, strategic correction with a much smaller team. Now, the whole reason for this scaling back, Mozilla says, is they are wanting to focus on bringing, and I'm quoting, trustworthy AI into Firefox, and then also want to scale back some of the other products and services as well. So it seems, because of this announcement, that Mozilla now and Firefox is going to be our next mainstream web browser to get the so-called artificial intelligence treatment. And I can see the reason for this, because Firefox hasn't been doing too well when it comes to its market share over the last year or so. It's failing to keep up with Chrome, Edge, and Safari. And the other mainstream web browsers have all got AI already that have been bundled into the browser, like we get Edge Copilot, Brave Leo, and also Google Bard, which has recently been renamed to Gemini. So obviously bringing a lot more AI and focusing on bringing trustworthy AI into Firefox, especially with your avid Firefox users, may cause a bit of debate. I have found with AI, you either like it or you don't. So this is going to be an interesting one to watch. Now, the first major products to be affected by this scaling back, which aren't actually going away, but are going to be scaled back, are Mozilla VPN. So that's Mozilla VPN and Firefox Relay. And as mentioned, some other privacy products are also going to be scaled back. And the reason for this is Mozilla says that these products don't offer much differentiation with competitors and are struggling as a result. And although those products aren't going away and are being scaled back, though, the first product to be deprecated, though, is actually Hub, which, in case you were unaware, is basically a 3D virtual world that Mozilla launched a couple of years ago. And Mozilla wants to obviously keep investing in products and services, but as they say, only in products addressing customer needs in growing market segments, quote unquote. So obviously a product that is addressing customer needs in a growing market segment is Firefox, which is basically their flagship. And this is where obviously they want to focus a lot of their attention on desktop and also on mobile, where obviously there is a lot of opportunity for growth. And according to this announcement, also the reason for that is because it goes without saying that Firefox also remains Mozilla's biggest source of revenue. So a lot of interesting stuff going on. Unfortunately, we get some folks who are now without work, but I think if you are an avid Firefox user, this may be good news, because this may be now over and above the artificial intelligence side of things that Mozilla will be focusing on in due course. They may actually start putting a lot more attention into the actual Firefox web browser, which I think of late they haven't. So I think they kind of playing catch up now and are getting a wake-up call. But nonetheless, I'll keep a close eye on this one, and if I get any more info, I'll keep you guys in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.